Hey, today I'm going to show you the PEZ dispenser that's made for Whataburger. Look at that. Got their symbol on it. 3 candies. Their big W. I got this from their online store. Maybe available in their restaurants. I don't know. There's how you work it. Got these when I was a kid. PEZ was a big thing when I was a kid. Let's open it up. Good sharp knife helps. There's our PEZ dispenser. Pull the W back and it'll pop the candies out. PEZ. Let's get some candies out. Maybe we can load it. These look like orange. I don't know if they come in other flavors or not. I haven't seen them, but all 3 of these are orange. Take the trusty knife. I'll cut it open here. Right there. There they are. Pull that out. They go right in there. Now there may be an easier way to load this. If you know one, leave me a comment and let me know. I haven't played with these in so long, I'm not real sure. They go in right like that. Gotta be careful. Whoops, see, they fall over if you're not careful. Gotta be an easier way to put these in. Come on now, straighten up. There you go. Well, that's kind of tough to get in. I'll just eat that one. Close it down. There you are. Pop back the W. Candy comes out right like that. Yum. Like I said, these may be available in their restaurants. I don't know. I haven't checked to see yet. But I got this online at their store online. Candies right there. Alright. Another candy. Yum. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. Leave us a comment if you know an easier way to fill the candies up. Okay, we will see you next time.